Hi there, this is a short video to help you with XLOOKUP in Excel Grader 2. So I'm going to put my cursor in cell C5 and I'm going to build an XLOOKUP formula. So I'm going to click on the little formula button. I'm going to use XLOOKUP. Mine's already at the top of the list, but I could search for it if I needed to. Double click on that. The lookup value I want to use is the SKU number. So I'm going to look up one number. I'm going to look it up in a lookup array that's going to be the list of SKU numbers. Now, before I leave that field, I'm going to hold down the function key on my laptop and press F4, because that will automatically put in all the dollar signs to make this an absolute cell reference. The reason that's important is I'm later going to fill this formula down, and I don't want it to think that A18 becomes A19, A20, etc. I don't want that range to sort of slip down the page. I want it to be kind of anchored in that spot. Okay, the return array is going to be, in this case I want the item name, so my return array is going to be this list of names. And I'm going to do the same trick, function F4, to make those values absolute. And those are the only parameters I need. I don't need any of these others that are further down in this particular case. And if I click done, it should say refrigerator. If I grab the fill handle and fill it down, it should be fine all the way down. If it doesn't look fine all the way down, then it may be that the absolutes that were necessary over here were not done quite correctly. Now, the only other thing is there is another XLOOKUP that you're going to need to use a little bit later. But if you understood the principles of selecting the ranges for the first XLOOKUP function, you should be able to figure out the next XLOOKUP. And that's it. Thanks very much.